So hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to export a feature layer from ArcGIS Pro to ArcGIS Online. So now let's get started. So now in the table of contents section you can able to visualize we have this layer called USA. So let's say that I want to publish this particular feature layer. So in ArcGIS Online, so first I'm going to navigate the layer section here, that is USA. I'm going to right click and next we're going to navigate to this option called sharing. And in that we're going to click this option called share as a web layer. So now we're going to click this option called share as a web layer. And once you did that, a window pop-up saying sharing. So now here share as a web layer, a window pop-up saying share as a web layer. So now in the general section we have this first option called name. So name is the feature layer name, that is USA. And summary I'm going to mention as a So in the summary, I'm going to mention as uploading a feature layer into ArcGIS Online. So now I have mentioned in the summary as uploading the feature layer into ArcGIS Online. Now next in the tags, I'm going to mention as USA. So I have mentioned USA and I'm going to click enter. And followed by the second tag I'm going to mention is ArcGIS Online. And I'm going to click enter. And likewise you can enter the suit. So once you enter your suitable tags for your feature layer, in the next step we're going to navigate the layer type here. So in the layer type I'm going to select this particular option called feature. So we have three different options starting with the feature, tiles and vector. So we're going to select the feature type. And we are using the summary and tag in order to for our own reference. We are using the summary and tags. And the next step, the location, leave it as the default, and followed by the sharing level. So you can share your feature layer according to your choice. For example, you can share with your owner of this item has an access, that is ourselves, and followed by you can share with your organization, and followed by the third option is you can share this feature layer with everyone. So people outside your organization have access to this particular feature layer. So for example, I'm going to select this particular option called everyone, and followed by we're going to click this option called analyze. So analyze is basically just a check to see if there is any weird conditions or errors. So for example, we have this error here, so you can able to see this is 0034 unique numeric ID or not assigned. So to resolve this, I'm gonna click this option, and so you can also right click on this error to open this option here. So I'm going to click this option called open map properties to allow assignment. So now a new window will pop up saying map properties map. And here in the general section here, we're going to navigate to this option called allow assignment of unique numeric ID for sharing web layers. So I'm going to click this layer here. I'm going to click this option. So this option here allows assignment unique IDs. So basically this particular option allows an assignment of unique numeric ID for sharing web layers. So by selecting this option, you can now publish the information in ArcGIS Online. So now we're going to click OK. So now it's loading. So now we can able to see the error is rectified here. So I'm going to click analyze again. So now here you can able to observe here we have no errors or warning found. So once you did that, next we're going to click this option called publish. So it's analyzing it again. So you can able to see here it is starting consolidating the data and tagging the web layer. So it is now currently uploading the service definition. So you can able to see from below here. So now here in the below we have this message stating the web layer published successfully on the date and the time. So once your web layer has published, we have to click this option called manage the web layer, and let me click this. So now it's started loading our ArcGIS Online page here. So now we're going to visualize our feature layer. So we're uploading the feature layer into ArcGIS Online. This is the feature layer we have uploaded from the ArcGIS Pro. You can able to see here, and here we have another indication here stating that everyone, so it is publicly available. So it is publicly available and everyone can access this particular shapefile. And to view this particular feature layer, so you can click this option called Open in Map Viewer, or you can navigate this option called Maps Map section here. So I'm gonna click this option. So once your map section has loaded here, and now we're gonna navigate this option called Add section. So we're gonna click this. So once you navigated the Add section here, so next we're gonna click this option called Browse Layers. So now we can able to see currently I'm in the Living Atlas section. So I'm gonna click this option, and I'm gonna click this option called My Content. So I'm gonna click this option called My Content. So in the My Content section, now you can able to identify my feature layer here, that is USA. So I'm gonna click this option called Add to add this layer into ArcGIS Online. And now here you can able to visualize the feature layer has loaded in. So this is our feature layer which we have uploaded from ArcGIS Pro. So now you can able to see. So this is our feature layer, that is USA. So this is our feature layer USA. You can able to see that. And this is the layer section. So you can turn on the layer or turn off it using this option here. So we're gonna add a wildfire data of USA. So I'm gonna navigate to the Add section here. I'm gonna browse layers, and in that we're gonna select this particular option. So we're gonna click this arrow button, and we're gonna select Living Atlas. And in the search section, so I'm gonna mention as Wildfire USA. So now I have mentioned as Wildfire USA. So now we're gonna select the second layer called USA Current Wildfire. So which is the data is provided by Esri. So we're gonna click this option, Add, and now we're gonna visualize it. And let me navigate the layer section. So now here you can able to visualize here. So let me zoom in here, so you can able to see the wildfire data. So in the layer section we have two different layers. One is US current wildfire, and followed by the USA county boundary layer. So now let me get back to ArcGIS Pro. So in this video I have shown you how to export a feature layer from ArcGIS Pro to ArcGIS Online. So thanks for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel and give us a like.